Hi, I'm Jennifer Chu from ITR Physical Therapy, and I'm here with Dr. Amy Hurd from PhD Psychology, and we're going to give just a quick little talk about our third annual Women's Health Wellness Day to be held on September 21st at the District Architecture Center in DC. So, Dr. Hurd, can you tell me a little bit about your practice? My understanding is you specialize in treating patients with a lot of medical issues. Like, what draw you to that population?
Well, I would say I've always had a fascination with hospitals, with medical settings. I volunteered there starting in high school, and I just feel like I was fortunate enough to find a career that allows me to work with people who are dealing with those medical issues. Um, I've seen a lot of people struggle with them, and I am always inspired by the people who I work with.
Wonderful. Is there a particular philosophy that you work with when it comes to your patients?
Yes. I have a framework that I really love, and my goal is to help people to be more present in their lives, in their bodies, to open up to difficult thoughts, difficult feelings, and whatever comes up in the moment. And then to use those skills to be able to really do what matters, what's meaningful in their lives. And I do that in part by helping them to really strengthen the mind-body connection.
So important.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, that's great.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing. And I know that many of our patients really benefit from seeing you, so thank you for all the great work that you do.
Well, I feel like physical therapy is essential since I work with a lot of women who have pelvic floor issues. I never do it alone.
It's a team.
It's a team.
It takes a team. So for Women's Health Wellness Day, you're kind enough to give us two amazing talks this year. You're going to do a talk on mindfulness. Would you mind just kind of giving us a little like idea ahead of time of what we get to look forward to?
Well, thankfully, mindfulness is much more popular. It's something that's very well known. There are lots of apps and websites and even podcasts that are now devoted to it. So I often don't have to explain it to people, but I think that an easy way in is just thinking about it as curiosity. And so when we can be present, letting thoughts come and go, and just be curious about what comes up, trying to let go of judgment, or at least notice judgment, being willing to just experience what's coming up in the moment, whether that's pleasant or painful, then it really gives us a different skill and allows us to approach life in a way that gives us choices. So we can notice what's happening and then also make decisions that are right for us in the moment.
That sounds like such a gift. Such a gift.
It makes a difference, right? When we don't have those automatic responses, when we don't feel so reactive, then we can still have all of our emotions. It's not that they go away, but we can then begin to choose how we want to respond.
I like to think of it as being able to be responsive instead of being reactive.
Exactly. Well said.
And for our other talk that you're going to give, you're going to talk about, for our postpartum track, helping us stay more intimate in our relationships with all the changes that occur. Is there any take home or something that you want to share with our audience?
Yes. So pregnancy, postpartum, everything that happens with delivery, those are such monumental experiences. And so a part of what I want to talk about is just how we can be with our bodies, again, with curiosity, with acceptance, with openness. And when we can begin to see things from that angle, then it really opens us up to be more present with our partner, to be more present with our children, to really enhance that sense of curiosity, love, and bonding that goes along with, being a new parent. No matter how many children you have, each time it feels new. And, how you can translate that into then coping with whatever changes there are in your body, and also feeling a sense of pleasure and enjoyment in a range of physical activities, including, getting back to more physical intimacy with your partner.
Oh, I'm so excited to hear your talks, and I'm so appreciative and grateful that you're a part of Women's Health Wellness Day. And
Thank
I
you,
hope that
Jen. I appreciate that you do Women's Health and Wellness Day.
thank
Yes,
you.
it's amazing.
Truly amazing experience where we do come together and bond with each other as women and learn so much, and it's just a beautiful energy of the whole day. So we hope that you can make it, and we look forward to it, and thank you.
Thank you, Jen. It's one of my favorite events of the year. I wouldn't miss it.